Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm Hasham Ali Khan. Now in this video I'm going to explain you about the 10th problem. So far 9 problems we have completed. Starting problems are very simple problem where 2 machines and n jobs. Next we have done 3 machines and n jobs. Now CDS method we are applying. CDS method will be applied to whenever the 2 conditions are not satisfied. So first of all, we have to check whether the conditions are satisfied or not. If there are 3 machines, the conditions are the smallest of M1 should be greater than the largest of M2. First condition. Second condition, the smallest of M3 should be greater than or equal to the largest of M2. If any one of the conditions is satisfied, then we have to convert the 3 machine problem into 2 machine problem. Then we can get the answer. But if what will happen if both the conditions are not satisfied, then we have to apply CDS method. So last problem also I have explained you in different stages we are finding out. This problem also we will find the conditions will not be satisfied and we have to apply CDS method. In the problem it will not be specified. We have to check and see whether CDS method will be applied or not. So now I am going to start problem number 10. But before starting problem 10, I expect my viewers to have a printout of the problems which I have given in the link under my description. Take the screenshot of the points written on the board, then I'll explain all the points. Now, see the 10th problem. From the following data, find the sequence that minimizes the total elapsed time. Also calculate the machine idle time. Jobs are A, B, C, D up to G. So 7 jobs are given and 3 machines are given M1, M2 and M3. So first of all, we will write down the jobs from A to G and machine M1, M2, M3 and all the processing times. First we'll check whether conditions are satisfied or not. Smallest of M1, 7, 12, 11, 8, 13, 12, 11. So smallest is 7. Largest of M2, 8, 7, 6, 9, 5, 8, 7. 9 is the highest. And smallest of M3, 10, 11, 9, 15, 9, 10, 1, 1. So smallest of M1 is 7, largest of M2 is 9 and smallest of M3 is 1. The first condition says the smallest of M1 should be greater than or equal to the largest of M2. But here 7 is not greater than or equal to 9. 7 is less than 9. The first condition not satisfied. Second condition, the smallest of M3 should be greater than or equal to the largest of M2. So here it is only 1. 1 is not greater than 9. It is less than y. That means this smallest is less than M2 and this smallest is also less than M2. That means both the conditions are not satisfied. Then we have to apply the CDS method. None of the conditions are satisfied, so apply CDS. Number of stages. Now we have to decide how many stages. M minus 1. M stands for number of machines. Here 3 machines are there. So 3 minus 1, 2. In 2 stages, we are going to find out the optimum sequence. Stage 1. Consider the first machine M1 and the last machine M3. Find the optimum sequence and total elapsed time. The first stage. Take the first machine and the last machine. Ignore M2. Only M1 and M3. So M1, M3. Take all the processing times M1, M3. Applying the Johnson's rule, we find the optimum sequence. What is the minimum time in this all processing times? 1 is the minimum. This is for job G on machine M3. And a second machine means right hand side we have to assign. So G will be assigned in the last cell. If the minimum is on first machine, we would have assigned from left. If the minimum is on the second machine, we have to assign from the right. So G. Now remaining A, B, C, D, E, F. G already we have assigned. Now in this, what is the minimum time? 7 is the minimum for job A on M1 first machine. So we assign on left side. A job is assigned the first. Now remaining jobs B, C, D, E, F. The minimum time is 8 for job D on machine M1 first machine left side. So after A we'll assign D. Now remaining B, C, E, F. B, C, E, F. Minimum time is 9 hours for job C and job E, and both on the second machine. Second machine means right hand side we are doing. So we have taken this C after before G and E before C. Remaining two jobs are left B and F. 12, 11, 12, 10. The minimum time is 10. So F is the job, 10 is the minimum on M2. M2 means right hand side. So before E we will take F. Now remaining job B is in the remaining cell. So this is the optimum sequence. Now we have to find out what is the total elapsed time and idle time for this sequence. A, D, B, F, E, C, F. This is the total elapsed time and idle time of stage 1. We are calculating for stage number 1 all these calculations. So here A, D, B, F, E and E, C, G. Now 2 columns machine M1, 3 columns machine M2, 3 columns machine M3. In, out. Exactly same procedure what we have done in the previous problems. Right? Now we'll start from 0. What is the procedure? A M1. A M1. So A M1 7. So 0 to 7. From 7 it will start. D M1. D M1 8. So 7 plus 8 15. From 15 it will start. B M1. B M1 is 12. So 15 plus 12 27. 27 will start. F M1 12. So 27 plus 12 39. From 39. E M1 13. 39 plus 13 52. 52. C M1. C M1 is 11. 52 plus 11 63. From 63. G M1 is 11. 63 plus 11 74. So we have started from 0 hour and continuously we have done up to 74 hour on machine M1. No idle time in between. Now we'll start M2. The out time is 7. So here it will start at 7. So first 7 hours it is idle. Idle time 7. So what is AM2? AM2 is 8. So 7 plus 8, 15. Now compare this 15, this out with the previous out. Both are 15 only. So no idle time. So DM2. DM2 is 9. So 15 plus 9, 24. Now 24 or 27, whichever is higher. 27 is higher. So we'll start at 27. So 3 hours is the idle time. Because last job was finished at 24 and the new job is starting from 27. So 3 hours is the idle time. Now BM2. What is BM2? 7. So 27 plus 7, 34. Now 34 or 39, whichever is higher. 39 is higher. 39 is higher. That means 5 hours is the idle time. Last job finished at 34, new job starting at 39. So 5 hours is the idle time. Now FM2. What is FM2? Is 8. So 39 plus 8, 47. Now 47 or 52, whichever is higher. 52 is higher. So again, there is an idle time of 5. 52 minus 47, 5 hours. Now EM2, their EM2 is 5. So 52 plus 5, 57. Now 57 or 63, whichever is higher. 63 is higher. So there is idle time. 63 minus 57, you will get 6 hours. Now what is CM2? CM2 is 6. So 63 plus 6, 69. 69 or 74, whichever is higher. 74 is higher. Right? So how many hours is the idle time? 74 minus 69, 5 hours is the idle time. What is GM2? 7. So 74 plus 7, 81. All the jobs are completed and these are the idle time. The total idle time is 31 for M2 machine. Now we are coming to M3. M3 will start only after completing the work of M2, 15. So first 15 hours is the idle time for M3. This is the 15, right? Now, the out time is 15, 25. First of all, AM3. How much is AM3? 10. 15 plus 10, 25. Now 25 or 24, whichever is higher. 25 is higher. So no idle time, 25, 25. Now what is DM3? 15. 25 plus 15, 40. Now 40 or 34, whichever is higher. 40 is higher. No idle time. BM3 is 11. 40 plus 7, 51. Now 51 or 47, whichever is higher. 51 is higher. Now FM3 is 10. 51 plus 10, 61. 61 or 57, whichever is higher. 61 is higher. No idle time. Now what is EM3? 9. 61 plus 9, 70. 70 or 69, whichever is higher. 70 is higher. Now what is CM3? Is 9. 70 plus 9, 79. 79 or 81. 81 is higher. So here 2 hours. 81 minus 79, 2 hours is the idle time. Now what is GM3? GM3 is 1. So 81 plus 1, 82. So total elapsed time 82 hours. Idle time for M1. M1 has finished the job at 74, but the total elapsed time is 82. So 82 minus 74, 8 hours is the idle time. Idle time for M2 is 31 plus 82 minus 81 is 1 hour. So 31 plus 1, 32 hours. And total is of this M3 is 17 hours. Total of idle time M3 is 17 hours. That's it. So we have completed the total elapsed time and idle time for stage 1. Now we have to come to stage 2. In stage 2, make the first 2 machines as a single machine, G, and the last 2 machine as a single machine, H. So we are converting this M1 plus M2, G machine, M2 plus M3, H machine. Then we are converting 3 machine into 2 machine. So here making 2 machines, G and H, such that G is equal to M1 plus M2 and H is M2 plus M3. So G, we have added, see here, 7 plus 8, 15. Then 12 plus 7, 19. Then we have 11 plus 6, 17. Like that. Now H machine, 8 plus 10, 18. 7 plus 11, 18. 6 plus 9, 15. 9 plus 15, 24. So these are the values. So we have converted. What is the smallest time here? 8. For which job? G job. On machine H, second machine. So we assign G in the last cell. Now remaining A, B, C, D, E, F. What is the smallest time here? 14. For job E, on second machine. So we have to assign right side before G. Now remaining A, B, C, D, F. The minimum time is 15 for job A on G machine, first machine, left side A. Remaining jobs B, C, D, F. The minimum time is 17, 17, 17. 3 times 17 occurs minimum. So first we select this 17. So this 17 means this is for job G on job C on machine G, the left hand side. So after A we are assigning C. So when we have assigned this 17C, this is irrelevant. We are not concerned. But this 17 is again on G machine. So D is assigned here. C left side. Both are on left side because it is on the first machine. C, D. Remaining jobs are B and F. The minimum time is 18. On the second machine, so we will assign from the right. Right side E, G. Before E, we assign B. And the remaining cell F. So A, C, D, F, B, E, G. This sequence is different from the first stage sequence. First stage sequence is A, D, B, F, E, C, G. Here A, C, D, F, B, E, G. Now again we have to find out the total elapsed time and idle time for this second stage. second stage sequence. The second, total elapsed time and idle time of stage 2. Jobs are A, C, D, F, B, E, G. Right? Now again, similar calculations you have to make. Similar calculations. A job, 0 time it will start. What is A M1? A M1 is 7. Then again from 7. C M1. C M1 is 11. 7 plus 11, 18. D M1, 8. 18 plus 8, 26. F M1, 12. 26 plus 12, 38. B M1, 12. 38 plus 12, 50. E M1, 13. 50 plus 13, 63. G M1, 11. 63 plus 11, 74. So 0 to 74 continuously machine M1 is busy. Right? No idle time. Now M2 will start at 7th hour. So first 7 hours idle time. So what is AM2? AM2 8. 7 plus 8, 15. Now 15 or 18, whichever is higher, 18. So 3 hour is the idle time. 18th hour. So what is CM2? CM2 is 6. 18 plus 6, 24. 24 or 26, whichever is higher. 26 is higher. So 2 hour is the idle time. So what is DM2? DM2 is 9. 26 plus 9, 35. Now 35 or 38, whichever is higher. 38 is higher. FM2 is 8. 38 plus 8, 46. 46 or 50, whichever is higher. 50 is higher. BM2 is 7. 57. 57 or 63, whichever is higher. 63. So there is idle time. 63 minus 57, 6 hours. What is EM2? 5. 63 plus 5, 68. 68 or 74, whichever is higher. 74 is higher. So there is idle time, 6 hours. 74 minus 68, 6 hours. What is GM2? 7. 74 plus 7, 81. That's it. Now similarly coming to M3. M3 will start only after completing M2. M2 finishes at 15. So from 15th hour it will start. So first 15 hour is the idle time. Right? Now what is AM3? AM3 10. 15 plus 10, 25. 25 or 24, whichever is higher, 25. No idle time. CM3 is 9. 25 plus 9, 34. 34 or 35, whichever is higher, 35 is higher. So 1 hour is the idle time. 35 minus 34, 1 hour. And DM3, 15. 35 plus 15, 50. 50 or 46, whichever is higher, 50. No idle time. FM3, 10. 50 plus 10, 60. Now 60 or 57, whichever is higher, 60 is higher. No idle time. BM3, 11. 60 plus 11, 71. 71 or 68, whichever is higher, 71. No idle time. What is EM3? 9. 71 plus 9, 80. 80 or 81, whichever is higher, 81 is higher. So there is idle time 1 hour. 81 minus 80, 1 hour. What is GM3? 1. So 81 plus 1, 82. So finally total elapsed time is 82 for the second one. Total elapsed time 82 hours. Right? Total idle time on M1. So 82 minus 74, 8 hours. Idle time on M2, 31 plus 1. 82 minus 81 is 1. 32 hours. Idle time on M3, 17 hours. So we have completed the total elapsed time and idle time for stage 1 as well as stage 2. Stage 1, we have this one. These are the timing. 82 hours. Here also 82 hours. That means the total elapsed time is same for both the sequences. Whether we follow this sequence or this sequence, the total elapsed time is same. Idle time for M1 is 8 hours. Here also 8 hours. Coincidentally, it is not compulsory that every problem this will happen. This is happening in this problem. So here also, idle time on M2, 32 hours, here also 32 hours. Similarly, idle time on M3 is 17 hours, here also 17 hours. So coincidentally, what is happening here? The idle time and the total elapsed time, both are same for stage 1 and stage 2. The only difference is sequence is difference. So conclusion, both sequences are optimum. whether we follow first stage sequence or we follow second stage sequence. Both are optimum sequences because both have the same total elapsed time and both have the same set of idle time. That's it. So this is the end of problem number 10. So far 10 problems I have explained in detail. So if you are satisfied, give a like to the video, share my channel, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. It's very pity to see that so many views I am getting, but subscriber count is very less. It is not compatible with the views. So subscribe. Don't feel shy, don't hesitate in subscribing. It gives me more motivation to provide better and better, more and more good videos for your subjects. So we have completed 10 problems. Inshallah, we will start the next problem, 11th problem in the next video.